Hi, and welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing well and safe. So, every single time that Alicia Souza says, it's that time of the year again, oh, it's planner time! And I honestly cannot believe that it's almost been a year since I uploaded the 2023 planner video. I mean, it just feels like yesterday, but it apparently has been a year. So, this time around, I decided to go with the trio box because, oh, the goodie bag was just irresistible to miss. So, here we go. I guess I would do a flip through of the calendars and say what's inside the goodie bag in a separate video. And now for the hero of the show, drum rolls please, the planner. Oh my goodness, so luxurious, so beautiful. Look at that holographic paper. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And this is the Stickaholic stick book. Who doesn't love themselves some stickers? And of course a thank you note with a big heart. Oh my, I was savoring every second of this unboxing. I'm sure you must be getting the feeling of all that literal butterflies as you're holding this in your hand. Oh my, every single time. The excitement never just wanes. A quick flip through. So the first page, in addition to the name, it also has this year is going to be and mantra of the year, which is cool. And list of holidays, personal information, 2024-25, calendar spreads, space to grow on the left. Wow. And the future, a letter to the future self. And okay, this is new. Our top 3 goals of the year. This is cool. And the theme of this year is every single month has a door. I also noticed that the date and day that is written has kind of moved closer to the line so that the writing space has increased a tad bit. That's really nice. So next to the monthly tracker, there has been one more page added which says to do, and it differentiates personal and office work. And the monthly meal plan and the monthly wellness tracker. And of course, blank pages at the end of every month. And again, February has a door, March has a door, April has a door, all the months have a door. It's so adorable. And we're done with last but not the least, the spacious back pocket. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this and wishing you all a very happy New Year 2024 way in advance. Stay safe, take care, God bless, cheers, lots of love. Mwah.